3 minutes, that's all I need. I need 3 minutes of your time. I'm gonna show you 3 things. One, I'm gonna show you this really crazy, big, cool jellyfish. That's the first thing I'm gonna show you. The second thing I'm gonna show you, which you'll be able to see throughout this entire video, is this amazing ocean out here in Vietnam. How sick is that? And the third thing I'm gonna tell you and show you is how to transform your business using AI. This is a game changer for coaches, for therapists, for pastors, for churches, for leaders, for teachers, anybody that has a product and or a course, anybody that sees the value in helping others, has clients, or even is an entrepreneur that wants to start their own business and doesn't know exactly where to start. We are building custom-made systems directly for you, and we're putting the entire system in AI for your clients. This is where all your clients are spending. We're talking ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. Hopefully it's Claude, it's the best one out there. But we're building custom-made systems that are interactive, they're personalized, and they're specific to your courses, your teachings, and your whatever it is that your offer. Whatever your offer is, we build it custom for you. So that way you will be able to meet your clients who are spending hours and hours and hours every single day inside of AI to gain knowledge. You're gonna have this opportunity to meet them right where they're at. They're no longer on Facebook. They're rarely doom scrolling on Instagram now. They're trying to gain knowledge, and AI is the future. This is gonna set you apart. One, it's gonna transform your business financially because you're gonna be able to meet clients where they're at. Two, you're gonna be able to create a personalized system for that. So it's almost like you're their own personal AI coach with your own product. And three, you're gonna be able to upsell them other things like personalized coaching or whatever the case may be. And four, it's gonna set you apart from other coaches, other people that offer services like membership courses or coaching, because you have a system that's specific, customized, and personalized. It takes about 5 to 2 weeks to implement. We'll build the entire system for you. We'll take you every step along the way. Our team will install it for you, coach you, train you, support you, and show you exactly how to implement the strategy. So this is a game changer for everybody to get ahead of AI and use your expertise and bring it to the masses. If you guys haven't seen one of these projects, we have an entire library of them. Download one of them, check it out, see how they work, and then envision and sit back and envision how we can take one of your ideas, tweak it, and make sure that it's your product, customize it, and make it interactive for all your clients and students. So if you guys are interested, just reach out to us. We have just get some information, a little bit about your business, about your goals, and we'll get you started, and we'll be off and running. You'll be the next AI coaching expert out there with your own customized project. I hope you enjoyed the beach. You guys want to come over and see the jellyfish again? Want to see it up close? I'll show it to you up close. Check him out. Look at that guy. How sick is that, right? All right, I'm gonna go take a walk on the ocean. I'll see you guys. Give us a call. We'll talk.